Hey everyone, I'm recording right now on November 28th, 2017 at 2:19 p.m. And right here is one of my most recent acquisitions. It's an unknown fan, but it was sold at Kmart circa 1985. And it said on the top, it said Prism Fans, and the model number is CR5200. It's like 52-inch crown fan by Prism Fans by BHW. It's something like that. That's the best I can tell you. I don't know who the OEM was, whether or not it was CEI or Evergo. But if it was Evergo, you'd have the there was a green tag right below the pull chain, and it has a Casablanca switch housing. See there, notice how it has a groove in it, just like you find on a Casablanca. And I think they made this fan to compete with Casablanca. And I'll show you some of the... I mean, it's got a little bit of rust on it, and the bearings are not in the greatest of shape, but it does do pretty well. It doesn't wobble or anything, which is more important. It's got, fake GE vents right there. So, see, and that's where you unscrew it to change the bulbs. And let's have a look at the side band. It's got a nice stained glass side band. There's the canopy. It doesn't hang down very low, which is really nice. That's why I put it in this very spot. And how well you can see the tag on it. It's right about up there, and there's the reverse switch. And there's the light pull chain. Let's illuminate it. See that? Isn't that really neat? That is totally awesome. This brings it back to my childhood, because I really didn't see much of these fans like after 1985, 1986, I think. And I always wanted one of these so bad when I was a kid. And I think their boxes had like a rainbow logo on them. But let's have a look from the side. Oh yeah. Look how cool it is illuminated. That is just awesome. We'll turn it off. It is adaptable for a downlight kit, but why would you want to put one on this fan? Although there's one in my physician's waiting room. He probably took it from his house because it wasn't there in 1996 when I first went there, but it was there. I noticed in 2008, like maybe he bought it at a thrift store like me, like how I get my fans. It's funny enough, it is located where Kmart was when they had this fan circa 1985. And let's have a look at the blade, shall we? There's the blade arm. Look at it, it's got some thick grains in the oak. I don't know if it's really gloss, maybe like it's a semi-gloss. There's the point. Now let's rev it up, and we'll start it first on low. It's got a nice aesthetic low to it. Okay, medium. gaining some more momentum. Does pretty well, and if you notice the tassel pulls up on there, they don't 100% match, but they the heights really they pretty much end at the same length, whatever. And let's try it on high, shall we? Cranks out a lot of air, and it's really well poised too. The leaves are being blown. It's really this fan's really cranking out a lot of air. The bearings aren't terrible on it, but when I take this down, I'm gonna give it a drink of some zoom spout. Maybe put some CLR on the shaft. Wow, that thing's really cranking out a lot of air. I took down the shop light there because it didn't really do me much good. But that's beside the point. But anyways, let's power the fan down, shall we? Do a spin down. I think this is like one of the coolest fans in my collection. It's one of my most sought after childhood fans. I finally got it. And the guy purchased it from, said it's sat in storage for years. You know, he came with a house that he bought, and then he took it with him, and then just wound up not using it. So his loss is my gain. Excuse me. My neighbor's on his tractor. It's just days after Thanksgiving. It's like 60 degrees at least outside. Not that's a bad thing, but you know. Oh wow. Okay, fan has ceased operation. But before I conclude, background fan. See, that's my textured rust Casablanca veranda from 1995. I'm not going to get into too much detail about it. But anyway, there it is, up and running. Okay, this concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.